Welcome back to Learn Fast, Speak Confidently, your go-to place for learning English and improving your life.
Hi, everyone. So glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful: how small daily habits can completely change your life and help you learn English faster.
I was thinking yesterday, why do some people completely turn their lives around while others stay stuck in the same place?
I've had that thought too. You see someone go from struggling to successful, and you wonder, what's their secret? Luck? Or are they doing something differently?
Exactly. And then I remembered my English learning journey. At first, it felt impossible. So many words, so many rules. But slowly, step by step, things started making sense.
That's so true. At first, I thought, if I just knew more words, I'd be fluent. But it wasn't just vocabulary. It was about building habits, practicing daily, and changing my mindset.
That's when it hit me. Life is the same way. Big changes don't happen overnight. It's not about one huge decision, it's about the small actions we take every day.
And that's what today's episode is about. We'll explore practical steps to improve your life and your English. Plus, we'll introduce some key English words and phrases to help you express your ideas better.
Exactly. Stick around. You'll get actionable steps and new vocabulary by the end of this episode.
So, why do people struggle to make changes? First, fear of failure. Many ask, what if I try and fail? But what if you try and succeed? Every successful person fails along the way. They just keep going.
Right. Second, lack of direction. People know they want change but don't know where to start. They think they need a perfect plan. And then there's negative self-talk, saying, I'm not good at this, or I can't learn English. Those thoughts stop progress before it begins.
And finally, waiting for motivation. People say, I'll start when I feel ready. But motivation comes after action, not before.
That reminds me, when I started learning English, I waited for the perfect moment. It never came. Only when I took the first step did things start falling into place.
Exactly. Big transformations come from small, daily improvements. Even 1% improvement every day leads to huge results over time, just like compound interest.
That's why habits matter. Reading 10 minutes a day, practicing English for 5 minutes, or replacing negative thoughts with positive ones may seem small, but over time they redefine who you are.
Mindset is key. Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. With a growth mindset, you believe, I can improve. With a fixed mindset, you think, I'll never be good at this. Huge difference.
And our brain focuses on what we train it to notice. If you keep saying, I can't do this, your brain finds proof. But saying, I'm improving every day, trains your brain to see progress.
3 ways to reprogram your mind: affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, positive self-talk, imagining success, and appreciating what's good. Train your brain to focus on opportunities, not obstacles.
Another mistake is waiting for the right moment. You will never feel 100% ready. Progress comes before confidence. Start speaking English. Start exercising. Start learning a skill. Imperfect action is better than no action.
Right. Done is better than perfect. Every small step builds momentum, confidence, and results.
Here's a challenge. Pick one small thing today. Practice English, write a sentence, or reach out for help. Not tomorrow, today.
Our surroundings shape our habits and decisions. You are the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. Surround yourself with positive, motivated individuals.
And reduce negativity. Limit people, content, or news that drain your energy. Join online communities for English learners or personal growth. Sharing progress and practicing together makes a big difference.
Let's look at some keywords from today.
Habit is something you do regularly. Momentum is energy from small actions. Consistency is doing something regularly. And growth mindset is belief you can improve. Use these in your sentences. I'm building the habit of reading every day. Or, consistency is helping me improve my English.
Key takeaway: Small daily changes, the right mindset, and a supportive environment can transform your life and English skills.
Progress doesn't happen overnight, but every step counts. Take one small action today. You've got this.
That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What small step will you take today?
Keep learning, keep growing, and see you next time on Learn Fast, Speak Confidently.